Hi guys, this is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach, Missouri. Today we're going to take this quick walkthrough on the SeaRay 23 SPX. Here at the transom, you'll see this boat is equipped with sea deck. This is a flip down wet seat. Configures back into a full width transom. Here in the walkthrough, you can see you've got access to your batteries. Nice little charging port to maintain those batteries. Your sun pad flips up to give you a nice backrest while you're hanging out, coving out, and the boat is at anchor. The boat does have a side walkthrough. Stepping into the cockpit, go over by the helm first. You've got all your gauges, you got your tachometer, speedometer, a nice little instrument cluster there, and a digital depth finder. You got your shifter over there, that is a nice addition to the boat. Fusion stereo right here. Captain's chair's got a flip-up bolster. Co-captain seat does as well. This is the only SPX model that has a built-in headroom. Ski locker down on the floor. The boat is equipped with the snap-down sea deck. You can actually unsnap this, which is new this year, making it easy to clean under and around. You can see this boat, for its size, accommodates quite a bit of people with its seating. To the bow is a neat part of this boat. I'm 6'2", and I can sit up here with my legs extended out, and a man my size could do the same thing on the other side of the boat. If you have any more questions about this 23 SPX, feel free to give me a call. My name is Marty Davis, 573-286-1130. Thank you.